I would say that first things first, like every morning, close my window, the air conditioning will turn back on, and I'm reminded of the fact that our residence halls actually are LEED certified and kind of have that green initiative behind them.
We're just voted the greenest school in California, so that kind of shows how much it means to not just the students but also the institution.
One of my friends had this saying on her wall. She said there is no planet B, we have to take care of the only Earth we have.
Temperatures are rising, we are already seeing the effects of climate change on the global level. Having a really good understanding of the environment as well as how to sustain ourselves in a way that's actually good for the environment is going to be increasingly more necessary as time goes on.
I think the way Pitzer really does sustainability well is that we kind of do it in all aspects. We do it in the way that we interact with the natural land here in Southern California.
On campus, we have a lot of drought-resistant plants. We're not watering the lawns as much.
But then it's also behind the dining hall. We're a farm-to-fork model, so we're trying to source from local farms in the area.
We've had farmers come in and teach us how to make lemonade out of cactus.
Sustainability is reflected through our design of buildings. We have ranged from gold to platinum LEED certifications. We also have sustainability reflected through a lot of our programming, and there's so many opportunities to really live out these sustainability efforts through internships and volunteering through different classes.
In our dining halls we have compost bins as well as trash bins as well as recycling, so we are able to, across campus as well as at the wider institutional level, we are able to engage in this kind of environmental sustainability and this philosophy.
Pitzer decided to fully remove its endowment funds from fossil fuels, and this is something today I think Pitzer students are still really proud of, is the fact that we're really living out those core values, and we're one of the leaders here in the state of California that's now been followed by lots of other universities to sort of lead that movement and really living out our core value and making sure that the funds that we're invested in, like our endowment, are going towards companies or corporations that believe in our values also.
The Robert Redford Conservancy is the space located right off campus at our Bernard Field Station, which is all native coastal sagebrush that a lot of students will go and do research at with professors.
I am a Robert Redford Conservancy Fellow, and the Robert Redford Conservancy seeks to embody Pitzer's commitment to sustainability.
At the Conservancy, we're combining art, media, and technology in order to create climate change education for future generations, and we're kind of using Southern California as our test kitchen for this.
Yeah, whether it's in your local community or internationally, we all can pitch in and make a difference, and it's really important to get involved.